To oil your 9600D, use the oil that comes with the gun. If you need additional oil, you can use pneumatic air tool oil. Oiling your gun is important and keeps your gun in good condition. Oil the tool by using drops of oil into the air inlet, which is located right here. For the first use, or when you have not used the tool in over a month, you will want to drip 5 to 6 drops of oil. Then you are ready to use your tool. Be careful though, it is possible to over-oil your tool, which could cause the seals to swell and leak. After you have shot through 3 to 4 rows of staples, it will be time to oil your gun again. This time, only add 3 to 4 drops. If you think you have over-oiled your gun, just go through 1 to 2 more rows of staples to use the excess oil. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below. For any more information, check the description or visit our website at surebonder.com.